So I want to demonstrate for you. You'll hear the metronome in the background. Forgive me if the video is a little shaky, but I'm doing this by myself. Then I shake the salt out and I throw it in the bucket. You want to keep the bucket separate from the salts so you don't have a big explosion because it is 940 degrees. One note I want to make is that you'll see how much the temperature fluctuates on the Lee pot. The Lee pot is plugged into the PID, so the PID is going to keep it within a couple of degrees of what I've set. Without something like the PID, your temperatures are going to climb and climb and climb, and they're going to drop, and you may not get that consistency. And I usually wear gloves. I have eye protection on, just FYI. But since I'm operating the phone in this, and you can see it's not so hot that I can't touch the brass. And that's how I anneal. I'll include links at the bottom for my setup. The Lee pot was, I believe, around $44 shipped. The top plate, the shell holder, I made that myself. I can include some pictures of how I set that up. The PID itself, this is a computer supply power box, and I just stripped it out. I bought the PID controller, the solid state relay, and a couple other items online from Aubers, and I'll include the link for that. But I think the PID setup was about, I want to say, $100, maybe $115. So all in with the PID, the Lee pot, and then the low temperature salts, I believe I spent probably about $175, $180. But the salts, I ordered 3 pounds of that, and they should last a lifetime. From what the research I've done, you replace about a teaspoon about every 100 rounds from the salt that's trapped inside the case cartridges. So this is going to be my long-term setup for annealing. I was looking at flame annealing, but after doing a bunch of research, I figured this would be a little more foolproof for someone like me. Thanks for watching.